everybody, how are you? Good morning everybody, how are you? Good morning to you, good morning to you. Good morning everybody, how are you? One more time please. Good morning everybody, how are you? Good morning everybody, how are you? Good morning to you, good morning to you. Good morning everybody, how are you? One more time please. Good morning everybody, how are you? Good morning everybody, how are you? Good morning to you, good morning to you. Good morning everybody, how are you?
Hi, smart kids! Welcome back to my phonics class. Learning phonics is fun! Just now we have sung the song about good morning song. Good morning, good morning. Okay, now let's learn about letter O. Can you say O? Yes, O, O, O. The sound is O. I will show you the picture that begins with sound Do you wanna see, kids? Okay, say orange. Orange. Octopus. Octopus. Orchid. Orchid. Ostrich. Ostrich. Ox. Ox. Oil. Oil. Thank you for today for our lessons. Okay, if you want more my videos, please click the thumbs up and subscribe. Okay, smart kids, goodbye. See you soon. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching, smart kids.